me don't go me gwana was wo kromahan Chinese a funerage wafa because more clear evidence are China for Waraton Sunzi pillow Waraton rig inhi Waraton spare parts but question cry me be saying day ye wo kromahana or ye binom nama apostle can wo kita padlocks you know what's a lock in Nigerian food shops that were ton spare parts now so China ye bought ton spare parts there by
law 27 of Act 865, foreigners cannot engage in retail trading in markets, kiosks, or stores. These are reserved strictly for Ghanaians.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Hello, everyone. For our friend DJ Parker Rich, I had me a Parker Rich Studios. Send subscribe here, say Mr. Rabo, more than subscribe here. We'll bring you great vibes. And come out there, and come up pa. No be me pay a day here. My fancy brother, Mr. Bannerman, I don't fancy no hires on a day. Charlie PKB, what's up? Everything cool for your side. Charlie, there is something I mean who internet and other bet. I'm on from Pedro Obaka. But first of all, me to blame my Ghana for you. Ghana girls in be what then they do. Nyame to one in seminar, they feed the go China now what for goods was a bahan. You see, when they go, they off the my camera, so when do my camera so my camera ni see what dying. And I will reach a hand and record the mazi wa hand moto the mazi wa how bagana and we will post to in him for TikTok. But you know which people create TikTok?
Chinese people.
China for now why TikTok. See now no do stage you know. Ye feed na ye post to a have a brain China funa bon there now business opportunities for Ghana. And no kwara some women in there China funa was ska wa dread China when in business yeah. And when they don't spend so much on aesthetics like decoration won't find your business. One plaster who cry they go take do business. And so now no in recent times and a lot of them may move out of Ghana. And a worry bonyama don't go me. To that extent, then the Sunzi pillow, PKB,
Big one.
Pillow pow,
Pillow
and Kagana. We for feed do on our own pillow for here.
Bed sheets.
Chinese farber. And a wobble to Sunzi mehen. Never adrena yaba da yenya. How we go get sense think proper self if China people they give us one a pillow. Bed sheet. Inti our Google one fan shawana. Because the bed you they make love to your wife or not, because the bed sheet is made in China. Challenge see that video. But video. China.
Hi, Galavo. Me Mr. Lee. Me Ghana, guys. Now I'm in Accra. Here it is factory for pillows and duvets, guys, yes, and the bed sheets, guys. So this one is true pillow, guys, also called
cushion.
Yes, this one is very nice. This is large size, guys. We have different colors. Can you see? Also, this one is medium size, guys, and we have different shapes. You see, this one is small size, guys, round one. And this one small size. We also have different color, guys. Can you see? Yes, all kinds of color we have, guys. Guys, can you see different shapes, different size? The pillow is very comfortable, guys. Yes, if you can get one, maybe it's good for you life, guys.
Into your trophy or send dancing you are brochi. Pillow where we go use, you use Ghana and it be Chinese people and what they're supplying. Now, my kind of want some. Yet, Nigeria for what another. And in Nigeria, they are not supposed to do retailing. They are supposed to do wholesaling. Mary or Tony pillow one winning. What did they do? let us not dent that Africanism Kwame Nkrumah created am a part in my hand. P.
Yeah.
Me the wig diamo.
Charlie, I didn't say that quite already. I say, per se, entry name baby, but I mean, I was saying here to me balancing the whole situation because say the Nigerian brothers are more, yeah. It's the same thing I was saying here, Chinese people. And yet, nothing here, I say, yet, China for I be corona was corona come my job was so that Uratema see boy tema Chinese for buildings are be Chinese writings a boss yentia say and so nkofo we high serious business o be casino uko casino
Che
say yembo chacha pa China phone di kan wo o mo bi osu baby a yenka ho hwe na Nigeria Charlie,
I am sure what the way get it. What the way get it? So yeah, share on the advert. Yeah, advert.
Hello everyone, Black Beauty here has a free week for you. We are thrilled to announce the grand opening of our Ghana branch. To celebrate, we are giving out one free human hair wig at the value of $100 with free shipping. Follow the following steps to join us now. Number 1, like, comment, and share this video with your friend. Number 2, follow our official account, Black Beauty Hair founder Emily. Number 3, follow our Ghana official account, Black Beauty Hair Ghana. One lucky winner will be announced before September number 30th. Join us now. Don't miss your chance. Black Beauty Hair, your best supplier of premium human hair. Join us now.
Yeah, or 20 near many few days Boshan or Gina Crown or Bonkofu would one.
And did you say TikTok built for running businesses?
Yeah.
Like if you get paid for TikTok where you run your business, like it move very fast.
Very.
So Charlie, this will be serious invasion they do.
They
invade on our social media,
and
they invade you on the grounds.
Everywhere. Now and who woman not on zone that castle. Next skill or use here right now. Her car construction away from a to a friend and Kaswa to Apami and a zone that castle away use. Yeah, understand me? Wa Kantanka ne ayo ne assembly plus or really baho. But zonda, you understand? My share you sauce and then.
Hi, Ghana friends. Mongbola, 20 cities. Mongbola, 20 cities. Minasti. I'm Chinese wholesaler.
And you must say, hi.
You
so I don't put the waba. We cost you a tree, Kakao Kumase. I'll forget saying I come from what on spare parts and a bra. Come from what on spare parts. But America, you know, in there, Ghana, woman, you wonder who. Nienja, the mission, you and I, not ye, Juma. Yakwakofa. Spare parts.
Hello everyone, I'm a Chinese wholesale, sell the engine. This is my general pardon. It takes the engine. If you want, we can give you a good price and good very cheap the price and the
Ewa, mhwehwenyi ma ye aposo kanfo. Wanam na wakita padlock there heaven gates ho na watsena no watoto nkofo wo shop. Mma CCA Nigeria free ho won kadakom. Ma Chinese free won bedidi. This is not fair to Pan-Africanism. Onye woman yan kana kwanche ye nuanom PKB ya wrap up e obi bia kana yan function.
I mean what's it about what the botichina
what's about and we wan what's say wan imum wa akasa wa ma PKB ebube Chinese for ma PKB ebube
anyway Nigeria for the no one else dey China for that China for the almost say kuruma from Galamsey if you don't want mujikuna boss from shops to TikTok.
You see the law is the law, so let's stick to the law. Yeah, you understand? Yeah, crowd. In the meantime, in control there, I say assassin we here pa as our friend assassin we here. You pebe we ase bobo brapa na as our friend dan in Sibia or ya reho. Inti na middle dam akwenje ya abade. There is an opportunity for you to earn and buy a land. From 15,000 Ghana cedis, about to matter asase. Asase 80 by 80. Na baby so adano de ye pa. Central region. Oman kesim. New place be our friend Anamponville. Community fufuru bi ehun de asase ne ye fair, asase ne ya kondo. Na miwia me de wo fly about to video yi do. Hwe na bomozna na from na from promo code PACORICH. Kada PACORICH no se bot asase. 15,000 Ghana cedis so. Na ezo to iPhone obotuma asase amon. Na pede wan wakwan hwezu gudo asase no de wo mankesima wo be ya amon. Mankesim ye the center of the country, central region. On Manning Kesim papa na. Onyechi, sisi ware ya kwan into from Accra to Mankesim na say. Build your dream house. Mankesim wanye land garden nya semi biara. Inti bomozna na kwata asase pa Wananamponville. Na irabe bi our friend Mame Mansa Messi. Ono no ye wo kasamafu. Efre number so wadu ya. One sabaka one. Now you want to attract come our friend DJ PACORICH. Easy, all be true. Mark one.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.